This is the AI blogging agent, and this is the advanced AI blogging agent. The blogging agent writes high quality, unique content, but this advanced AI blogging agent goes a step further. It researches deeply before writing, and its final article is recognized as human written by all AI detection tools. Right now, I am running it. I given the topics here in Google Sheet, and when I run it, you can see my article is already published here. So here you can check it out, the article how to start a seven-figure AI automation agency in 2025, and you can see its format too. If you are a blogger or a business owner, this video is a game changer for you. I'm giving you an AI agent that works 24 by 7, creating fresh, unique, and human like content along with an image just for you. You can use it to make money from your blog, attract more customers to your business website, or even sell these AI agents for $1,000, $5,000, and even more and earn big money. I've been blogging for 15 years and blogging has given me money I could not even imagine. In these 15 years, I have made over 100 blogs myself and researched thousands of other blogs in detail. Google has updated its algorithm hundreds of times over the years, but two things are still important to ranking a website: content and backlinks. I'll cover backlinks in another video, but even with just high quality content, you can rank on Google and get massive targeted traffic. But what do you mean by high quality content? On the internet, there are two types of people who write content. The first type is the one where a person shares their own experiences and knowledge. Second type is the one where a person shares someone else's experience and knowledge. Like he picks a topic, go to Google, does and check 5 to 7 websites, watch 1 to 2 YouTube videos, and then write content based on their research. Now, this second category, we can say it's unique content. We can say it's high quality content. We can say it's well researched content. But one thing we can't say is that it's original content. On the internet, 80% of people prefer this second category for content writing. Only 20% of people are the reason we still get to see the original content today. I am not saying that 80% of people write bad content. Their content is good based on the research and effort they put in, which is why it ranks well on Google. But for Google, one thing matters the most in content. When someone reads it, they should find the exact information they are looking for. In simple terms, the content should be clear, satisfying, and not misleading. So in this video, we'll only focus on that second category. How you can build an automated AI system that keeps publishing high quality, unique and well researched content on your blogs regularly so you can make a good income from your blog every month. Hi, I am Pritam Nagarale, founder of DMatic Digital and AI Scholars Academy. I recently started another company, Future Agents, India's #1 AI automation agency. If you want to use AI to save money and grow your business, need AI agents, workflow automation, or marketing services, you can book a free 30-minute consultation with us. The link is in the description. Now, if you think AI can't write high quality content or that Google detects AI content, then wait a minute, I'll clear your doubts soon. Today, AI generated content is being used everywhere on blogs, YouTube, and social media. People engage with it, and these platforms even promote it. When it comes to income, there is no doubt that a blog can earn much more than a YouTube channel with the same amount of traffic. I have blogs that make $20 per day from just 50 daily visits through Google AdSense. I also have clients who earn 5 lakhs rupees per month from their product website with just 10,000 monthly visitors. Now, it's up to you how you monetize your website. Google AdSense gives good income. Affiliate marketing is even better, but selling your own products or services is the best. It's up to you. You can create one website, 10 website, or even 50. Once the system is set up, you only need to monitor it for 30 minutes a day. nothing more. With this hostinger plan, you can build up to 100 websites for just 200 rupees per month. I have added the link and a coupon code in the description, which will give you an extra 10% discount. So, first, let's understand this automated system, and then we'll see how you can easily make 5 lakhs rupees a month in 2025 with blogging. So now let's understand the system. There are two systems here. You can see this blogging agent produces one unique and high quality piece of content every minute. Then there is this advanced blogging agent that produces one well researched, latest and high quality piece of content every 2 minutes, and even human like content. There is this website called make.com, super important for every marketer and blogger to learn. Once you learn it, you can set up some solid automation and earn thousands of dollars. You can even start your own AI automation agency and sell AI agents and automation services for $1,000 to $5,000 or even more. Join my AI automation agency course, which includes live training every month. This course is also great for every business owner, professionals, or marketers and freelancers. The link is in the description. Now, let's get back to this make.com. But before that, hit the like button. It motivates me to create more amazing videos like this. Simply put, make.com connects different websites and apps to automate tasks. For example, imagine this process. You do keyword research, export the data into a CSV file, use those keywords to write content in a document, design an image on Canva, finally publish the content on WordPress. Normally, this could take hours to complete manually, but with make.com, you can connect your keyword research tool, Google Sheets, documents, Canva, and WordPress, automating the entire workflow. What used to take hours can now be done in just 1 to 2 minutes with automation. Now, the best part, you can use it for free. Every month, you get 1000 operations. In blogging language, that is 1000 blog posts you can publish for free with automation. So you can see this make.com dashboard. So these are the scenarios. I came to scenarios and you can see all these scenarios. And this is blogging automation, and this is advanced blogging automation agent basically. So there are two systems, blogging agent and advanced blogging agent, that is AI humanizer. So this blogging agent creates high quality and unique content, and this advanced blogging agent, it does write high quality unique stuff too, but also create fresh, latest and well researched content and human like content. Right now I go to this one and I'll start this one, but before that I'll tell you that this is the Google sheet, and it will take the article topics from here. You can see in the sheet 1, and the topic is how to start a 7-figure AI automation agency in 2025, and this is my blog. And you can see here, when I run it, I click on this run. So I'm running it. I given the topics as you can see here in Google sheet. So when I run it, the process gets going. As you can see here, it started from here. The next section, this next section. So I'll explain each and everything here. So right now, let it create the first article so that you'll understand the automation. So all done, and this is last, and it's done. And see here, I'll reload this website. And here you can see the article, magic, how to start a 7-figure AI automation agency in 2025. I'll start in a new tab, and you can see the article, how to start a 7-figure AI automation agency in 2025. And here, why start an AI automation agency. So heading, steps, then you can see the format, mind blowing, isn't that? You can see the complete article. So let's understand this automation. So I'll go back here and let's try to understand each and everything here. So look at this here. The very first action, that is the trigger, you can say. It's in Google Sheet. So in make.com, you have to create a scenario like this, and to create it first, you have to pick a trigger. So what is a trigger? Trigger point is this Google Sheet. So whatever topics are there, it will write content on them one by one. So I have taken this actual Google Sheet. You can see it here. Uh, it's called blogging automation. And when I come again here and I'll see this, you can see here. You can see the first trigger, that is Google Sheet. So as soon as topics are added into this Google Sheet, this trigger starts. Basically the trigger for this automation is starts. So as you can see, the same name, blogging automation, and I've chosen the sheet 1, and table contains header, and there we have already seen the headers like this. You can see topics, category, author, date, slug, and you can put a lot of headers according to your need. Then column A to Z, then your filter, you can close this, then order by topic. So I'm saying that this automation will choose the topics from this topics column only. So it will start from 1 2 3 4 like this, and you can choose like field type like string, number. So it should go by number wise or date wise. So if you put by number wise, then it will start from 1 2 3 4 5, or you can choose date. Then you have to sort the order like ascending or descending, and then limits, you can put the limits like maximum number of returned results like 1 2 or 3. So at this time there was only one article, so one topic. So by default it was one. Otherwise if there were number of topics like 10 20, so and when I click on this run button, then it will write on all the topics at once, right? So we'll see how to actually set up that automation also. Then you can see this automation is inactive right now, and that's why actually I have to click on run once manually. Otherwise if I actually activate this, it will run automatically and it will pick topics from this sheet one by one, and I'll show you on the demo for that also. Now the next is this OpenAI Chat GPT, and I'll just click on the settings, and you can see the settings. Now you must be actually thinking that how basically to start this whole automation. So I'll try to explain you the things when you have to start with, so that you'll get the idea that how to actually start this flow. So I'll just click on add a module, and you can see the first module should be a trigger. So I'll just click on plus, and then I'll choose Google Sheet or whatever actually. Or if you want to create blog articles by giving your topic ideas through a WhatsApp message, then you can pick a trigger, a WhatsApp number or WhatsApp app. So Google Sheet, and I'll choose this Google Sheet. Then I'll see the trigger. So there are triggers, and then there are actions here. So you can see these are the triggers like watch new rows, then add a row, then update a row, then bulk add rows. So watch new rows means it's a trigger. So you can put like this, but again you have to connect your account with this. But my account is already connected. You can see my Google connection with Preetham. Otherwise what you will have to do, you have to click on add, and then you can create a new connection by clicking on this sign in button with Google, you can connect your Google Drive or Google Sheet by clicking on this. Then you'll put your login name and basically email address and password, or if you are already connected, it will take automatically. So in this way you can connect your first trigger. Then after trigger, what you can do, you can click on this plus button, and then as you can see here, it is chat GPT. So I'll click on OpenAI, and then I'll choose my action. So what is the action here? So after picking the topic from here, I'll choose something like create a completion. So here you can see my account is already connected, OpenAI account connected. So I'll just cancel it. So what I'll do, I'll run this module independently, and after running this successfully, it will give the value these topics, these columns like topic, category, author, date and slug. And after getting the details from here, like first details, so I can pass all these information from Google Sheet to ChatGPT, and again I'll connect other modules as you can see here. So it's not very difficult basically. If you have practice, then you can do it easily. I'll delete this. Now I'll show you this ChatGPT module. So you can see I already connected the ChatGPT module, and here you can see I have selected this create a chat completion, just I explained here. Then I have taken the model ChatGPT 4o because it writes better. Then I'll choose the role as user, otherwise you can choose assistant or developer system, but as you are actually asking ChatGPT, so you can choose the user as a role. And here you can see the content. I want you to write a blog article on this topic, and this, what is this topic? This topic is taken from here. If I click here, and you can see how to start a 7-figure or AI automation agency, and you can see the value for all the columns, but because there are only 7 columns I'm using, 7 or 6 columns I'm using, so you can see the value of these 6 to 7 columns only. So last value was how to start a 7-figure AI automation agency. So this Google Sheet will pass the topics here, and it will write the article on this topic. And again you can see the complete prompt I'm giving here. So here I am saying that I want you to write a blog article on this topic, and I am giving the guidelines, tone and style. Then I'm giving the structure. As you can see, structure start with an engaging introduction. Then I am asking incorporate bullet points, and I'm also saying divide the content in clear sections like headings H1, H2, H3. Then conclude with the summary. Then SEO optimization. And then I'm talking about the formatting here. Ensure each section has a clear heading, maintain a word count between 700 to 1200 words, and with a call to action relevant to the topic. And finally, the most important thing, you can see, please make sure the article is in markdown format. Use hash for H1, double hash for H2. Here you can see the final output should be ready to publish on a blog. Now the important thing, just understand this. Please make sure the article is in markdown format using hash for H1 and double hash for H2 headings. The final output should be ready to publish on a blog. And you can see here, do not include any backticks, additional words or extra spaces in your response, because ChatGPT, when you give the prompt, so it actually write the content, but along with the content, it also, as I said here, it also includes backticks, additional words or extra spaces that actually I don't want on my blog. So I have written specifically here that do not include any backticks, additional words or extra spaces. So I need just a pure article. Now let's understand the next thing. And before that, you can also see max completion tokens, so you can limit your tokens so that actually it won't actually burden your pocket. Because I have connected my ChatGPT account through an API, and you can also use the API of DeepSeek or other platforms like Claude or Gemini. In the same way, actually, I'm using here for ChatGPT. But ChatGPT charges are super low basically, so you don't have to pay much. So I'll cancel this, and this is Markdown. So as soon as the article is ready from here, so whatever output comes, I am saying this action that put this output in this Markdown. So I'll just open this, and you can see it here, Markdown to HTML. This is Markdown to HTML, as you can see here, Markdown to HTML. So result from ChatGPT is here, and I'm asking it to actually convert this Markdown to HTML. After this, this is Google document basically. So whatever the output from this Markdown, like it's in HTML format, so I'm actually putting this output to this Google Docs, and you can see here. So you don't have to think twice about this particular code. Just copy this and paste into your Google Docs, and you have to add your output from this Markdown here, and you have to actually specify the path here. So I specified the path like future agents, and then put it this output in this particular directory. Now after that, actually I am asking this ChatGPT to create an image for this particular topic. So if I click on this, you can see I'm writing this article, create an image for this to create an image for this topic, and this is the topic. And if I click, you can see the topic from Google Sheet, like how to start a 7-figure AI automation agency. So I'm saying this ChatGPT module that I'm writing this article, create an image for this topic, how to start an AI automation agency, 7-figure AI automation agency in 2025. So it will create an image accordingly, and you can see the size, quality, standard, and I'm using model on DALI 3. Cancel. Then this image will be actually added to my WordPress blog automatically here. So I had to basically add API of my blog. So I'm using a Make Connector plugin to connect my WordPress account with make.com. I click here. So you can see the connection here. I already connected my account. So if you want to connect a new account, you can click on add button, and then you can provide your REST API key or API key here, and you can connect. So here the output from DALI, that is ChatGPT, which has created the image actually. So I am supplying this image to my blog with this title and this alternative text. Then next step is basically I have to download this HTML content from this document, because I have created this particular file, but actually I can use this file only after downloading this file, and then I can actually use that content to my blog only if I download this file. So first I have to download this file. So I'll just download this file on the same document ID that is created over there. So I've downloaded this, but the download format is HTML. Then you can see the 3 text parser I have used before actually passing the content to my WordPress blog here. So basically the article you download from Google Docs here has some messy code, and if you try to publish it straight to this WordPress, so what it will do, you won't get proper formatting, and actually some of this messy code you'll find on your WordPress post. So that is why I have taken three text paths and given them different instructions. Like if you click on this, and I said that if you find this pattern, you will just remove this with something space. So I put one space here, and similarly these two parser. And as I told you, to connect this WordPress account, you need a make connector plugin, and you can use it free from WordPress repository. Now if I click here, actually it's a bit slow to open. So here you can see my connection, WordPress connection, and here you'll find a lot of options here, like title. So this is the title of your blog post. Then this is the content that is from the last parser. Then type is post. So basically whatever I'm writing is writing under post. So it is post. Then if you want to write excerpt, then date. So if you want to schedule your article, you can write accordingly, and you can use the date from the Google Sheet. You can actually specify a column with date, and then you can write date like for February, March, April, likewise. So 5 to 7 articles every month, and accordingly it will post the article. Then you can decide the slugs here. Then status like future, or you want to publish it right now. Then format, and then categories. So lots of options are there. You can play around, and you'll find lots of very informative things, so that your blog will get a lot of valuable articles. Now close this, and we'll see this once again. So this is starting point, and this is the topic. But let's say if you want to start this on automation, so I'm just taking these topics. I'm just taking these topics, putting here, and let's say I'll start with this. So the first article is 20 best AI workflow automation sample for examples for a business, and you can see slugs here. You can even mention dates. So let me put this in action. So instead of run once, I'll click on this, and I'll provide I'm giving an example like one article in 1 minute. So let's see the example. So you can specify actually 1 day, 2 day, 5 days, different intervals like this. So save here, and see the automation will start automatically. And you can see this article at 1540, 26 February 2025, 1540, 20 best workflow automation examples. So when I reload this, this is a new article, and when I click on this, you can see this article. What is a AI workflow automation? 20 best AI workflow automation examples, likewise. And when I reload this again, you can see another article, AI chatbot versus AI agents, what is the difference and which one to use. And here you can see this article, and second, AI chatbot versus AI agents. As you can see the order here. So string wise, so it's taking A, B, first number, then A, then B, then the C, and accordingly. So I'll deactivate this, and now we'll understand about this complex scenario. So it's a bit complex than this blogging agent, because here what happens basically, after picking the topic, it does some research by going to Google and then finding some of the top ranked article, and then actually it extracts some of the best information, facts and other details, and then actually use those details to write the content. Then it gives the chat gpt that these are the details and you have to write articles accordingly, according to these details, because these are the recent articles, because chat gpt's cutoff date is 2024, not 2025. So it won't be able to write new and recent types of articles. So what I'll do, I'll actually check the recent content through some different apps, and I'll try to collect the information, recent data, recent facts, references, and I'll put all these research into a document, and then I supply this document to ChatGPT and to get the idea from this document, and accordingly ChatGPT will get all the details, and it will actually use its own knowledge and write a very unique article that is as good as actually a writer can write the article. Then what I'll do in the end, as you can see, there are many of the things here you will find, like these HTTP modules. So what I'm doing here, I actually I'm adding some AI humanizer tools. So what these AI humanizer tools will do, they will humanize these contents, and it will try to make 80 to 90% human content from the AI content. And finally, the output that you receive on your blog is 80 to 90%, and in some cases actually 100% human like content. You can copy this entire system and create 10 to 20 AdSense and affiliate blogs, then put them on automation. You can blog in Hindi, English, or any other international language. You don't even need to know the language. ChatGPT can help with affiliate programs too, suggesting which ones to join for your niche and which products to target. Just add your affiliate links to a document. ChatGPT will seamlessly place them in the content wherever they fit naturally. Now, the most important thing, there is nothing to lose, only a lot to gain. If you learn make.com automation and master WordPress blog, and even if just 25% of your blogs succeed, you can make a great income. These days, earning rupees 5 lakhs per month as a creator is not unrealistic. With just 50,000 monthly visitors from the USA, you can easily reach that level. Everything you need is right in front of you. You just have to take action. And if you just feel like you want to learn more, I can teach you this full automation live. You can enroll for my AI Scholars Academy course, where I'll teach you live things like how to build advanced AI agents and workflow automations like this. This course will help you to make money with blogging and affiliate marketing and start your own 7-figure AI automation agency. You will see a 300% growth in your profession and business by implementing AI strategies explained in the entire course. The link is in the description.